Hi everyone, back from my trip. I wanted to give you an update on the garden. So I was gone for 10 days, and when I came back, here's what I have. The zucchini is doing wonderful. No weeds except for what the lawnmower. Peppers are all growing. I'd rather sweep a garden than weed it. Not that I'm gonna sweep it. Cherry tomatoes are all doing good, and the flowers are growing. What a year for strawberries. These things are like growing crazy. And there's so many strawberries in there already. But that's not what I'm talking about. Look at all the new runners. So glory to God. I went to a fair and they had beautiful plants for sale, really cheap. So here's an update on my chamomile. So there's the chamomile. It kind of stays low to the ground and pops out flowers. Look at all the strawberries in there. The lavender is already got buds on it. Today I planted rosemary. Rosemary smells amazing, and I like to bring it in my house in the fall. And today I had a few minutes after work to finish putting the rest of my plastic out. I did have a bucket of weeds to take out. Actually, I had 3, and I was very grateful for the plastic because I came home to all these weeds over here, and I am not in the mood. So they're out. They're done for good. So I planted, this is Italian basil, Italian parsley, and I left a good amount of space between the two. But I'm also planting celeriac. I really like celeriac. The leaves, they taste better than the whole stalk of celery when you put them in a soup. But this is a root crop. It grows a ball, and I cut this up and I dehydrate it and I make celery salt out of it for the year. I use a lot of it, and even though I'm having a small garden this year, I'm planting it. So I have 2 holes for the celeriac, and because it's a ball, a root ball, I'm also going to put them in between my parsley and my basil to save room. So stay tuned. We have had a lot of rain while I was gone, and I'm glad that I had the plastic down because the ground did heat up when it was nice out. But to show you how much rain we had, you can see what the plants look like over here. So over here I have my boysenberries. Look how loaded they are. Nothing like a rainy fall. That makes such good jelly. So I'm looking forward to that. My blackberries, thornless blackberries, look amazing as well. But these are the thornless ones, and if you remember, I planted thornless in the other garden to take with me. And there are some young plants that are just flowering and runners. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to your comments. And if there's anything you would like to see, please leave a comment below.